Okay, for this particular video, I am going to provide you with a demonstration on how to change a water valve inside a kitchen sink. Now, the first thing that you have to do in order to do this is to shut off the water going into the sink. I've already done that, and another good idea is to disconnect the pipes from the shutoff valves and drain the water out of them as well. I've already done that too. And how I did that was, well, first I disconnected the pipes, and then I used a little can to catch the water, and I stuck the pipes down inside the can, and then I turned on the kitchen sink to let the water flow down through. Alright, so with that out of the way, the first thing that you will notice is this little hole right here. Some kitchen sinks have them in the front, like this one does. Others have them in the back. Now basically what that is inside that hole there's a little Hicks screw that you have to use an Allen wrench like this to unscrew it. So let's go ahead and do that. And by unscrewing that screw just a little bit, that handle will pull right up and slide off. Just unscrew it a little bit. And it just comes right off. I'm just going to lay it right there. Now this silver part just comes right off too. Just slips right up. And this is the actual valve assembly. There's 3 screws holding it in place. So you can just go ahead and unscrew all 3 of them. There's one. There's 2. And there's 3. And that is how you take the valve assembly off. It'll just lift right out of place now. There it is. So I don't know how well you can actually see it, but see there's 2 smaller inlet pipes, and then the big one in the middle, that's where the water comes out and goes up through the faucet. Alright, but now we're going to continue, and I'm going to show you something else. See, this just comes right up out and just slips. It just kind of, there's not really anything holding it in there. It just kind of slips down in. I'm just going to set that aside. Now, and then the faucet itself, you can just grab a hold of it and it just slides right up off too. And then this is actually permanently on here, like it's actually part of the faucet. And if you reach around back, you can kind of feel the valve for the sprayer. See, it's kind of like it's an automatic valve. And this is the actual valve that controls the on and off flow of the water that comes through the faucet. So there you have it on how to change and replace a kitchen faucet. Or not the whole kitchen faucet, but the valve anyhow. And there you have it.